front of that truck. What is going on? We're back here with a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. We've been working away, test fitting some parts. We're gonna grind this stuff down. We're gonna put some weld-through primer on it today. We're gonna try to get some of this welded on because everything is fitting really, really, really good. So very impressed with the way everything fits. So let's get to it. Man, we got a lot of work done today. We blocked out that door, bondoed that up just a little bit, and it down. We welded, we welded the apron in. That's all ready. We put some primer on. We're in good shape. We're in really, really good shape with this truck right now. Good morning. It is a brand new day. Had to take a break from the Tacoma. I'm gonna show you why. My good old trusty Tundra, she went into limp mode on me. I'm gonna show you why. So, see those guys back there at the back? That's the secondary air intake solenoid, and one of them stuck. A bank one, which will be this one over here on the driver's side. Nobody in town's got them, of course, so we're gonna take them off and clean them and see if we can get this thing going again until we can get one. Well, we took the 4 bolts out to hold this thing on. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Yeah, it looks a little bit bad for, it's got some moisture. Yeah, moisture in there. It's got 150,000 miles on it, 156 to be exact. So, I don't know if I can clean this up or not. So, I got a lot of optimism to get this thing going today, but don't think it's gonna happen because I don't think I can clean this thing. Check this out. So yeah, I see why it's stuck open. Had to get one ordered it from the old Napa. Nobody had it in stock, so we'll get it going tomorrow. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. We're here again with our 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. In the last video, we took all the new parts, we took them in the booth, we trimmed everything out, got everything on the backside ready to go. So now we got everything's test fitted on, everything's looking real good. So what we need to do today is we need to get this stuff welded on. So we're going to slowly and methodically, we're going to weld this stuff on, then we're going to grind it all down. We're going to put some rust protection on it. We're going to put some seam sealer on it. Then we're going to work on the door, get the door fitting the fender good. We're just going to do a lot. We got a lot going on today. So we're going to jump on it here, and hopefully by the end of the day, we got this thing ready to paint, so we can get it into the booth and then we can get it painted. We get it all put back together. I mean, we're just super excited the way this stuff's coming together. I can't wait to get it finished up. Well, we got this thing right here all clamped on, ready to weld. We're gonna get the welder, try not to burn it down. That's these welds right here go on the inside of the cab, so we're gonna be real cautious on that. That right there, that went really good. We welded all that stuff up. We got all the parts welded on. So now I'm gonna grind them all down. We're gonna get some seam sealer. We're gonna go over all that, make sure it's nice and rust proof. And that's the next step. So everything's going good, it's coming together. So we got that all welded in. Everything's looking real good. We're gonna glaze that up, get a little glaze and put on that. All of this stuff over here, looking real good. That's gonna be all seam sealer in there. We decided to take the door off and paint the doors. Everything is coming together on this truck. I mean, we've got everything welded. We got it all took apart. We're getting ready to put some paint on, and everything's going good. We got the door fixed. We got the radiator support welded on. We got the apron welded on. So now we're gonna rust proof this thing, and we're gonna put a little seam sealer on the radiator support, so we can get that painted back, and then we're gonna put some etch primer down on these welds. Then we're gonna paint it black, and then maybe put some seam sealer on. Get everything just seam sealered up so it looks real good. It's all rust proof. So that's what we're gonna do now. Well, we just mixed up a little bit of glaze and putty. We put it right on this radiator support because we want it to look good. We want it to look OEM. So we put a little glaze and putty on there. I'm gonna sand it down. I'll turn the camera around and let you look at it. Okay, so what we did is we put some glazing putty on that just to kind of make it look a little better. It's the dang radiator support, so you know, we just want it to look good. So I'm going to use this U-Pole high build primer. Dries pretty quick, and we're going to spray it on here, and then we're going to jump over here on the apron stuff and get that done. All right, so what we got here is some self-etching primer. So we're going to spray it on these bare spots. It's got a little acid in it, soaks into the metal so that it won't rust. And after we get done doing that, we're going to get some seam sealer. We're going to seam seal it all up. So it's going to look real good. We're getting closer and closer to painting this thing. Okay, so now we got the self-etch primer on there. We've got some black seam sealer here. So it's 2-part. The gun mixes together. We're gonna go through and we're gonna seam seal all of this up where we weld it. We're gonna make it nice and rust proof. That's the goal here, is to make it rust proof. So we're gonna jump on it right now. We've been working along, man. We've been getting a lot done today. We welded all our apron in, we welded our radiator support in, and we ground that stuff down, put a little glazing putty on it, put a little primer on it. We got it painted here now. We just got to gloss it up just a little bit. We put seam sealer all around our new apron. Everything's coming together really good. We got the truck took all apart. We got a bunch of parts that are just waiting to get in the booth, and we're going to paint. So that's going to be a wrap for today. We'll check back in. We're out.